Hey everyone, let us continue chapter 9, which is soil. Our topic for today is soil types. Before discussing in detail about the types of soil, let us first revise how soil is formed. If you have seen the previous sessions or previous videos, I have discussed a term there which is weathering. Weathering is what? It is a process of breaking down of rocks by the action of water, wind or climate. बड़े बड़े rocks का टूटना into smaller particles to form soil, this process is called weathering. So basically, when a big rock or stones break down, what happens? Smaller particles of various materials are formed, and these materials could be sand and clay. Okay. Now, after weathering, when soil has been formed, how much sand does it contain or how much clay does it contain? The amount of the sand and clay depends upon the rock from which the particles were formed. जिस रॉक पर वेदरिंग का प्रोसेस हुआ, उस रॉक के कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट्स क्या थे, उस रॉक के अंदर क्या क्या प्रेजेंट था, उसके ऊपर डिपेंड करेगा द अमाउंट ऑफ सैंड एंड क्ले प्रेजेंट इन द सॉइल. ओके, नाउ let us now define soil properly. The mixture of rock particles, जो किसकी वजह से हुआ, रॉक के पार्टिकल्स किसकी वजह से होंगे? बिकॉज ऑफ द प्रोसेस ऑफ वेदरिंग. The mixture of these rock particles and humus. Humus also we have discussed in last two sessions. Humus is what? It is a rotten dead material present in the top soil. Top soil पर जो rotten dead material present होता है, that is known as what? It is known as humus. So the mixture of this humus and the rock particles is known as soil. Some living organisms such as bacteria, plant roots, earthworms, these also forms a part of, or they also form important parts of the soil. Okay, so soil is what? It is the mixture of rock particles and humus, and these organisms also play important role in the composition of the soil. Okay, now let us come to our topic is types of soil. Soil has been classified into three different types: sandy soil, loamy soil and clayey soil. Okay, if in the soil the proportion, और proportion का मतलब क्या होगा? amount, quantity, ratio. if the proportion of bigger particles is more, अगर soil के अंदर बड़े बड़े particles हैं, big size के particles बहुत ज़्यादा हैं, then that soil is known as sandy soil. अगर fine particles यानी कि smaller particles की quantity ज़्यादा है, then it is loamy soil. And if the amount of large and fine particles is almost same, then that soil is known as loamy soil. Let us quickly revise. If the soil contains greater proportion of bigger particles, आपके soil में बड़े particles ज़्यादा हैं, then that soil is known as sandy soil. If proportion of fine particles is more, then that soil is known as clayey soil. And if the amount of large and fine particles is same, almost same, then that soil is known as loamy soil. Now you must be thinking that why we have divided or why we have classified soil on the basis of the proportion of the size of the particles. हम particle size के basis पर soil को classify क्यों करते हैं? Actually, what happens is the most important properties of this soil, they depend upon the particle size. पार्टिकल साइज पर ही सॉइल की प्रॉपर्टीज़, करेक्टरिस्टिक्स डिपेंड करती हैं. इसी वजह से हमने सॉइल का क्लासिफिकेशन किया है बेस्ड अपॉन द proportion of the size of the particles. Okay, we are going to study in detail about the properties of sandy soil, loamy soil and clayey soil in our next session.